In architecture, a line isn't just a mark, it's a boundary. And in songwriting, a meter isn't just a rhythm, it's a heartbeat. I'm Maryann Manelski, and I've spent my career in the film and record business, and I've spent my life looking at the world through the lens of a poet. I created meter and melody to look past the hooks we love and find the architecture beneath the lyrics. On this channel, we are taking the measure of the greats, mapping narrative pivots and structural secrets of classic and hit songs that make those words sit inside you long after the songs are over. We're also diving into reversification, where we reveal the engineering and design of classic poems and look at how those structures can inspire your songwriting and poetry today. And if you subscribe on Substack, you also get the Lyricist's Ledger, conversations with working songwriters about how they construct their lyrics and cross the same bridges you have to face as a writer. Meter and melody is more than an appreciation of brilliant writing. It's a laboratory for songwriters, poets, and anyone who wants to see the invisible scaffolding that holds a masterpiece together. You can follow the journey here on YouTube, where members get full access to the video library. But if you want the full blueprints and downloadable workouts to help you build your own masterworks, you belong in the Meter and Melody Lab on Substack. The lab is officially open. Let's take measure of your next great song.